Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruises, and this is episode 158 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and there's a lot of them. We take the cool, the lies, the funny, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, why no water shoes in the pool? What does FFS stand for? Can we get a driving range on the ships? What happened to the Mongolian Walk? And why don't, when I buy a scratcher in the casino, why doesn't it go toward my casino points?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know, why are you not allowed to wear water shoes in the pool? They can't walk on hard surfaces due to a medical condition, and besides that, the deck is like lava during the summer. And they're right. John said it has been like this for quite some time. They do it because of the safety of the guests. People walk across the deck, other places with their water shoes, around the whole boat. They might pick up a piece of glass, a piece of metal, something like that, and then subsequently deposit it into the pool, causing a safety hazard. And he said for them to drain the pool and fill it back up is 7 hours long. So that's basically the most of the day that you have ability to swim. So to eliminate that option, they eliminated water shoes in the pool. Sorry. Question two. This cruiser wanted to know, what does FFS stand for? They see it all the time and they had absolutely no idea what it stood for. John said, for fun's sake, because Carnival is all about fun. If you know John, you know what the alternate meaning of FFS is. So I'm just going to leave it at that. Question three. This cruiser asked if Carnival ever considered building a driving range, like in golf, on any of their ships. Or there are even golf balls that are safe and biodegradable now, so you can hit them over, not kill the turtles and bonk a whale in the head, stuff like that. He said him and his friends would definitely pay extra to smack some golf balls around the ship, or off the ship, I guess, per se. John said back when he was a CD, they did this with actual golf balls. So there was a driving range, I believe it was in the aft of the ship, and people just cranking the balls out into the ocean. It was environmentally unfriendly, as you can imagine. And then he said they did actually try the biodegradable golf balls, but it wasn't the same. Attendance dropped and they canceled it. And he also said there's likely no chance of them ever coming back. So if you like to hit a golf ball off a ship, sorry, you're ship out of luck. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question four. This cruiser was so saddened to see that during the dry dock of the Valor, the Mongolian Wok was changed from pick your own protein veggies, this, that, and the other, to 4 pre-made choices. Kind of like what they did for the omelet station. Omelet had a whole probably 6, 7, 8 different types of veggies and bacon and this, that, and the other, and you can get whatever you wanted on your omelet. Now, there's like 3 choices. Don't get it. John said they did this to alleviate all the complaining of the other guests that said they had to wait so damn long in line to get the Mongolian Wok. So there you go. That's why they changed it, just to speed it up, get everybody served quicker. But it did limit the choices, which I don't eat there, so I couldn't tell you if it's a good thing or a bad thing. But I guess we're going from Omelet Gate to Mongolian Wok Gate now, because that ship just got released and the complaints are coming. Well, last question. This cruiser asked, how come when they buy $200 in scratch-offs from the casino, it doesn't count toward their casino points? John said he didn't know why, but he will share this with his colleagues because it does kind of make sense. I mean, they should be able to do that. If you're buying it, they can just grab your card, swipe it, put in that you bought X amount of scratch-offs, because we see people with stacks of them just sitting there all day enjoying themselves doing scratch-offs. So you might as well get some points for it, I think. Or like in Florida where we are, in Publix, they have a vending machine that has scratch-offs in there. So maybe they can do that, and you just swipe your sale and sign card, you get your casino points, and you get your scratchers. I don't know, that's just me. Anyway, that's been episode 158 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.